All right, here it is, the Keystone Bullet Premier. It is the 29 RKPR model, and it is so packed with features. Just, I have to show you this. So, of course, you have electric tongue jack. We're gonna fill these 2 propane tanks up for you. And then right in here, this comes with 2 lithium ion batteries and a lock for it, because they are not cheap batteries, but they're 100 amp hour batteries and they are going to last a long time. If you don't know a lot about those, look it up, because they are the cat's meow, I'll tell you that. So inside this storage cubby, I'm gonna have to pause it for a second so I can get it open. All right, man, I wish you could feel this. It is just heavy. The quality is amazing on these, but you see how this little latch works. Instead of just a little magnet or one of those cheap latches, this clicks right in, and you got to push up to get it to open. It's an awesome lock. So everything about this guy is just, like it says, premier. So huge storage area under here. You could see it's all aluminum framed. And right there you have, right there because this has 200 watt solar panel on it already. That's your charge controller, and then you even have a solar panel disconnect, which that's the only camper I've ever seen it on. It's pretty cool. Right here you have your hot and cold water, and then you can run, so you don't have to have the door open, you can run everything up from underneath the camper through this hole. Easy winterize right there. And then you have your fresh and city water connections. Inside right here is where you're going to push the button to do what? Run your electric stabilizing jacks. If you wanted to add more solar, you can do it this way, or you could add more on the roof. And then it has Key TV, which is you're able to run satellite or cable separately, which is really slick. And it gives you all that information in the books, and we'll explain how to use that when you come in. Your black and gray tank dumps right there. 50 amp power hookup right there. Tinted windows. It's a nice big slide out. And then you have a ladder that goes up the back. It's backup camera ready. Comes with the spare tire, of course. And then over here you have a little outside kitchen. You got a sink right there. You have your fridge, so you got a little 110 fridge right there. And if you wanted to watch TV outside, these are the outs for the TV. So you have separate cable satellite antenna hookups right here. So you can put a little table, put your TV outside, or you can put a TV right there because there's a mounting spot right here for it. Tankless water heater, so you could have endless hot water. Isn't that cool? So no more 5-minute hot water showers in your camper. You can go as long as you want, and it's continuous hot water. So beautiful aluminum rims right there. It's got one of the biggest hot water, I'm not going to stop and redo this. It's got a big furnace, so you got one of the best heaters in the industry right there. You can see, like I said, it's got the 200 SolarFlex solar panel on the roof. And then we're going to swing over here before we go inside. I'm going to pause it again so I can get this side of the door open. All right, now we got this side open, so you can see it's a pass-through storage. They even have this little pegboard right here, so you can hang stuff on there. Comes with the little sprayer, and then there's that lock hooked up for the batteries. This way no one steals your $2,000 worth of batteries right there. 50 amp service, so big 50 amp cable. If you wanted to add the tire link, you can. That'll keep an eye on your tire pressure. And then there's the lights right there. So let's go take a look inside. It's got the flip up steps, of course. Solid steps are the latest, hottest thing in camping. All right, look at that living room. Just super cool. You got a couple of recliners right there. Tons of counter space. I'm gonna start right here though. Here's that hot water heater, so you can run your tankless hot water. Battery, it's even got a battery heater, so you can heat those lithium ion batteries up. And then your awning in and out, and your slide in and out right there. All your lights and your checks right there for your tanks and your battery fullness. Look at all this window space. 3 windows on that side, 4 on this side, all working windows. You know, you get some companies that give you windows, but then they don't open. That's kind of cheesy, but here you get it all. So look at all the storage cabinets above there. And they don't have the cheap hinges on there. They got the nice hinges. Storage all the way down. Even more storage next to the fridge. You got that little pantry right here. And unlike most brands that just give you shelf in one spot, you can see right here. So you could put the shelves at any height that you want. You get this huge 12-volt fridge. And I'll tell you, 12-volt fridges are bigger and they cool faster, so no more waiting 24 hours for your fridge to cool down. Stainless steel fridge, stainless steel microwave, 3-burner stove top. Look at that. This is the nicer one. Look how nice that looks. It's even got a little light bar that you could switch on and off. Storage down below, storage over here, spice rack right there. So in the slide out, here's what I want to point out. Yes, there's lots of windows and it looks really nice, but you see the floor there? This is pontoon flooring. So it is vinyl, it is thick, and it cleans really easy. You can mop it up, you can't beat that. And then we work our way down, and then you have this, you got storage in the sofa right there, cup holders. And these pull off and it'll make into a big bed. I'm going to show you that right now. There it is. It literally took me 21 seconds. I counted it out to pull that out. And then I'm going to put it away here real quick and then move on. All right, moving on. More storage above the TV. This camper will come with the TV. It's Bluetooth ready, HDMI, 2 zones. It's a 50-inch. I'll tell you, it's a nice big TV. Fireplace down below right there with more storage left and right. You see there's your hookups for it. And it is a 2-arm bracket TV, so it'll pull out and aim to the left or the right, whichever way you need it. So you have your basic thermostat on the wall. And going into the bathroom, you got a foot flush toilet. And this is a porcelain toilet, and I'll tell you, porcelain is a huge deal when it comes to campers. They clean easier and they're solid. They sit higher. Got a medicine cabinet right there. Now, if you could see, this has a nice big rounded ceiling, so definitely makes for a taller shower. And it's got the nice tubs around there, stainless steel sink. Doesn't have a cheap curtain either. It's got glass in here. Lots of storage above and below. Some more storage there. It's got your vent on the top. It's ducted air into here. Let's swing around into the bedroom. So you see it's got ducted heat in the bedroom, ducted air conditioning up top. It's got a residential queen bed. What's that funny looking thing right there? That goes down into the bottom, so you can use it like a laundry chute. You got drawers there, hanging closet on both sides. You can see right in the back there, you have USB ports, and also 110 outlets. I don't know if I could zoom in on this. Oh, there we go. So you can plug your phone in, run the cord up through the little grommet there, and put your phone up on the top shelf. So pretty slick. And then on this end of the bedroom, breakers and fuses kind of hiding nicely so they're not in the kitchen. And then even more storage that's adjustable in the bedroom. If you wanted to put a TV up, there's your hookups, and you got that nice big wall there to put a second TV. And let's head back out into this awesome living room. Premier is what it is. It is where it's at. We are Adventure RV. Come check us out. Come check this camper out. Look at that huge stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet, pull-out sprayer. Man, I'll tell you, it is just phenomenal. So, you can move that around. All right. Thank you for watching.